Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your player ID in Racing Kingdom application using your mobile device. Whether you need your player ID for support, events or linking accounts, I've got you covered. First of all, launch the Racing Kingdom app on your mobile device and make sure you are connected to the internet. On the main screen, look for your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Once you open up your profile, click the gear icon at the top right and click on Copy ID. Soon after you do that, you will be able to copy your player ID on your device's clipboard. And that's it. You can now use your player ID to contact support, participate in giveaways, or transfer progress. That's how easy it is to find your player ID in Racing Kingdom. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.